To help start some specific rotary tattoo machines, the latest Critical Tattoo G2 power supplies have a new built-in feature called Jumpstart. To enable this feature on the CX1 G2, first start by pressing the up and down button until EN or Enabled is displayed. The Jumpstart feature is now enabled. To disable this feature, do the same thing by pressing the up and down arrow until DIS or Disabled is displayed. On the CX2 G2, enter the menu by pressing the left and right arrow key. Scroll down to the Jumpstart option. Press the right arrow key to enable the feature.